Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into something that's weighing down so many of us: debt. Whether it's credit cards, student loans, or car payments, debt can be overwhelming, but I'm here to help you take control. In this video, I'll show you the steps I used to pay off debt and how you can do it too. So grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's get into it. Step 1. Find out how much debt you have. You can't fight what you don't know, right? I know it's scary, trust me, I've been there. But the first step to paying off your debt is figuring out exactly how much you owe. Log into all your accounts, credit cards, student loans, car loans, whatever. Write down your current balances and interest rates. You might even want to pull your credit report to make sure you haven't missed any sneaky debts. By knowing your debt numbers, you can finally start taking control and making a plan to get rid of them. Step 2. Get on a budget. Now that you know how much you owe, it's time to get serious. You can't pay off debt without a solid plan, and that's where budgeting comes in. I recommend the zero-based budget, where you allocate every dollar of your income. This isn't a punishment, it's just a way of organizing your money to work for you. Your budget will show you where to cut back and how much more you can throw toward paying off your debt. The goal is to free up as much money as possible to put toward knocking out your balances. Step 3. Use the debt snowball method. I'm all about the debt snowball method because it works. This is where you list your debts from smallest to largest and focus on paying off the smallest one first while making minimum payments on the others. Once that first debt is gone, you move on to the next smallest, and so on. Why the snowball? Because paying off debt is about motivation, not just math. By knocking out smaller debts first, you'll see progress and feel that momentum building, pushing you to keep going until you're debt-free. Step 4. Break up with debt. Now that you're making progress, it's time to make a commitment. You are done with debt. No more credit cards, no more personal loans for things you can't afford. It's time to change the habits that got you into this situation. Draw that line in the sand. No more creating new debt. This is crucial if you want to be free from the chains of debt once and for all. Step 5. Use the envelope system. Let's get practical. The cash envelope system is a fantastic way to control your spending. All you do is withdraw the cash you need for categories like groceries or clothing and put it in labeled envelopes. Once the cash is gone, you stop spending. It's simple but effective in making sure you stick to your budget and keep making progress toward paying off debt. Step 6. Meal plan. One of the biggest budget busters? Food. But don't worry, meal planning can help. Choose a few budget-friendly meals each week and stick to your plan. This will help you save money and avoid those last-minute takeout orders that drain your budget. Plus, who doesn't love knowing exactly what's for dinner each night? Step 7. Sell stuff you don't need. You'd be surprised at how much extra cash you can bring in just by selling things you no longer use. Go through your closets, your kids' rooms, and even your garage. Whether you sell them online or at a garage sale, every extra dollar you make can go toward paying off your debt faster. Step 8. Get a side hustle. If you're serious about getting out of debt, consider taking on a part-time job or side hustle. Whether it's delivering pizzas, driving for Lyft, or even tutoring, every extra dollar counts. Use that money exclusively for paying down debt, and you'll be amazed at how much quicker you can reach your goal. Step 9. Pause investing. This might sound crazy, but if you're drowning in debt, I recommend pausing your retirement contributions for now. All that money should be going toward debt payments. Once you're debt-free, you can jump back into investing and even put more money toward it than before. It's a temporary pause for a much bigger future payoff. Step 10. Ditch your car payment. If you're paying hundreds of dollars a month for a car you can't afford, it's time to make a tough decision. Sell that car and get something cheaper, something you can pay for in cash. Not only will you free up that monthly payment, but you'll also speed up your debt-free journey. Later, when you're debt-free, you can save up and buy your dream car in cash. Conclusion. You can do this. Debt can feel like a mountain, but with the right plan, you can climb it. It's not going to be easy, but let me tell you, it's worth it. Life is about trade-offs, and right now, you're trading a little bit of comfort for a future of financial freedom. I did it, and so can you. Remember, this is just a season. Once you're debt-free, you'll have more options and opportunities than ever before. Keep pushing forward, take it one step at a time, and trust that this process will lead to a better, debt-free life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And let me know in the comments what steps you're taking to pay off your debt. I'd love to hear from you.